Hello everyone, this is Pooja. In this video series, I am trying to cover important interview topics. Today's video is about final. What is final in Java? It is a keyword. If you go with the literal meaning of the word final in English language, you can easily find out its meaning is something is fixed or which cannot be changed. Cannot be changed. Cannot. Something is fixed and cannot be changed. Now, um, at what level we can use final keyword? We can use it at a class level, we can use it at a method level, and we can use it at a variable level. What does it mean if I declare a class as final? It means no other class, I repeat, no other class can extend this class, because this class's implementation is fixed and it cannot be changed in any other child classes. What if a method is declared as final? That also means its implementation is fixed. And how do we change a method's implementation? By overriding it. So, yes, you guessed it right, this cannot be overridden. Now, if I declare a variable as final, the same, it cannot be changed. It cannot be changed. So the value remains fixed, and if you try to change it, there will be a compile time error that final variables cannot be changed. So this is about final keywords. So if the interviewer tries to confuse you by saying or by giving you a hint that this class is declared as final, if you inherit it, how will you proceed? You can simply say a class, if it is declared as final, no other class can extend it. That's the simple answer you can say. Or they can ask you about the final keyword, then you can give these explanations that it can be used along with classes, methods, and variable in case wherein we do not want the implementation to be changed and it is fixed. And these are the scenarios wherein if you declare a class as final, it cannot be extended. If a method is final, it cannot be overridden. And if a method is if a variable is final, it cannot be changed. So this is a clear cut explanation of the keyword final. Now there is one more thing. They can ask you to check your understanding of this keyword, which is how do you implement an immutable class. So if you want to understand what is immutable class and how do we do it, then you can check out my other tutorial, which I'll be posting in this video series itself. In the next video, I'll be talking about another keyword which is static, and this is also very important from interview rooms perspective. If you have any questions on this final keyword, do let me know in the comment section below. Do comment on how do you like the video, and if you have any feedback, please share. Also do like and share, so that everybody can benefit from it. Thanks guys for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.